Hey everybody, let's look at another problem from section 11.5. So in this one we want to expand 2a minus 3b to the 8, and we'll start this problem by just writing out the binomial theorem form. So this will be j equals the sum from j equals 0 to 8 of 8 choose j times x is now 2a. And remember to stick that in parentheses, to the 8 minus j times, and then I'm going to put negative 3b to capture the minus as we go out through the sum to the j. And in our notes for this problem, we did just want to do the first 5 terms. So we just want the first 5 terms. It kind of becomes really tedious and a lot to write to go out to the 8. Alright, so we'll have 8 choose 0 to the 2a to the 8 minus 0 times negative 3b to the 0 plus 8 choose 1 2a to the 7 times negative 3b to the 1 plus 8 choose 2 times 2a to the 6 times negative 3b to the second plus 8 choose 3 2a to the 5th times negative 3b to the 3rd. And so we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We just need one more term. 8 choose 4 times 2a to the 6. No, I mean to the 4. Keep in mind it is to the 4th because it's 8 minus rj, which is rj is 4 at this point. So it's 2a to the 4th times negative 3b to the 4. So as I'm going through, I'm just kind of keeping track of remembering to decrease the exponent or the power for 2a and then increase the exponent for negative 3b. Oops, right here and right here. So we have the first 5 terms of this expansion, and so now we just want to determine the binomial coefficients and perform these powers to get the true coefficient. Alright, so from here you could use Pascal's triangle to write out 8, or it would be 8 lines of Pascal's triangle. So, or you can just use your calculators as need be. We do have those 4 rules to help with the beginning too. So we know 8 choose 0 is going to be 1. So we'll have 1 times 2 to the 8, and then a to the 0, negative 3b to the 0. So then I'll just have a to the 8 minus, because I'm looking at this factor here, negative 3b to the 1. 8 choose 1 is 8 times 2 to the 7. 2 to the 7, and then times that 3. So times 3, since I put the negative out there. And then next term, 8 choose 2 comes out to 28. And we'll have a 2 to the 6 times 2 to the 6. And then times, negative 3 squared, which we know is 9. So then a to the 6 b squared. The next term is going to be a minus because of the negative 3 cubed. 8 choose 3 is 56 times 2 to the 5th times negative 3 cubed, 27, and then it's a to the 5th b cubed. And then the last term is plus 8 to 8 choose 4 is 70 times 2 to the 4 times 81. And then a to the 4th and b to the 4th. A to the 4th, b to the 4th. So then all we need to do is just multiply those exponents. So 2 to the 8th is 256. A to the 8 minus 24 times 2 to the 7 is 3072. And it looks like I forgot the a and b stuff here. This would be a to the 7 and b to the 1st. Plus 28 times 2 to the 6 times 9. Hold on. It's 16,128. A to the 6th, b to the 2nd, minus 56 times 27 times 32. So that comes out to 48384. 84, and then a to the 5th, b to the 3rd. And we'll have 70 times 81 times 2 to the 4th is plus 90720. A to the 4th, b to the 4th. Whew. And so, this is the answer to this problem. It's pretty tedious, so just take your time, and we'll look at a couple more problems.